Kini kedai kedudashan Meghalaya bat ngipidang sobha ya pi baro syakatup kubor minta gajan min. Shwa ban pai syaki kubor ki babnia ngenya pet shwa yakimat bakong san. Minjur kekinhun ki menteri ke jela ya shibun ki mat bayadai bat kejing penut pensep ketenat transport bat kejing penkelai ya ki kendon banyada ya ki klau. An ajing bit kesorkan Meghalaya ya ki arshaka ki babiang ki kot kisla bat ki bekwa ban kamai. Saya keseng UDP da umuktiar bapau ke jela ubak Vivan Stone G karngap kenta ban aireng ha ke election MP shiteng semoy na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Bat kentu ke Presiden Kari ke Draupadi Murmu ya ki buar pulit ban trei hok hayala ki kam ban aji Syakrina ke benta ki patba. Mentangnya pai shwa syaki kubuar na keleng ke jela. Ka kinhun ki menteri jong ke sorka jela hinin kaski kala shimrai halor ki babon ki man kintup ya ke jing penlut pensep halor ke tenat transport bat ke jing pen kela ha ke bayadai bat ki kindon banyada ya ki klau ki betam nakaliang jong u menteri ramba ke jela ukon rat ki sangma ulah kren halor ki mat ki bayadai bat ki kampisa pilan ha ke jela halor ke puli putih bat ke jinglong jingman ha ke bayadai bat ki jaka kaput bat ke jela asam tunginya kami kambenya halor kani kubor.
Menteri Ramba ke jela ukondat ke sangma ula pentip baka sorkar jela kala pensangelut ya barok ki jingtemu ki batemai banlet cabari hadirin bu Menteri Ramba du kari Narendra Modi ula kerpar ban pensange ya ke jinglet cabari khnang banum peluksan bat banlet kunai. Haba pencai halo ke jinglet cabari lani ke offshore trip ukondat ula ong baki don ki program ki bala penbet lupa haki khendiat banai haswa ke jingput bana Narendra Modi bat ki dairu ki baladat menjur daka sorkar pedeng. Kakinhun ki menteri kala menjuru banwanra daka one time settlement scheme ban pensting iki try kali babu iki trok kitmar hakeleng ke jela khnang ban pendunai ke dor dan kuna ha ke baidai bat ka motor vehicle tax ka passenger bat ka goods tax bat ka fitness fees. Kakinhun ki menteri kala shim ya kani karai ban pensting ya ka baisiu kuna jong ki try kali ki babu iki trok kitmar kabalakot jin haduk khanai spa klur tengka ki ba klem la siu satya da ki postnam wadla kala de ban pentamai ya ka motor vehicle tax ka passenger but ka goods tax but ka fitness certificate.
Post Prime Minister's announcement, any new proposals that are coming in for any kind of a trip outside are not being entertained, and in fact I have personally put on hold every single trip outside. Though we have not come out with any notification, but I'm very clear that we have to go as per Prime Minister's direction, and this is in the larger interest, as I said, of the nation, and therefore we have, as I said, I have stopped all the foreign trips in the past post Prime Minister's announcement. The ones before that, as I said, have been clear, so those obviously went through because already the process was. An introduction of a one-time settlement scheme for waiver and reduction of penalties relating to motor vehicles tax, passenger and goods tax and fitness fees. In the past many years, say anything between 3 years to the last 20 years, there have been many of the different transporters and different vehicles and commercial vehicles who have not renewed their motor vehicles taxes, passengers goods taxes, and have not gone ahead with the fitness fees either.
Sakawai perkara ke kinhun ki menteri kala menjur ban pentrai kam ya ka Meghalaya Forest Authority Act jong snap ka khanai spa khanai puai ban penklan ya ka jingat relang ha pedeng ka tanat klau bat ki Autonomous District Council ha ka ban sumar sukher bat yadai ki klau. Kanikaan kan aila ru ya ki bor badai kmi ban pendon kam ya ka pisa sorkar na ka benta ban pentelun ya ki kam ha ka ban penne pensa ya ki klau ki betap.
Amendment is a very basic administrative kind of an amendment, which is allowing this particular authority to have the provision of being able to utilize the funds which will be given to this authority by the state government to conduct their day-to-day activities, which is mostly meetings and coordination between the district councils and the state forest department and the government at large. It's a very minor department, but as I said, it is necessary because without that, the authority will not be able to function.
Halor ka jing hiar jang ka jilla Meghalaya ha ka ranking bala penmi da ka National Performance Grading Index u konrad ulakam bakani ka de na ka daw jang ka jing bambyang ka rukom penyat bat ki kendon ha ka tanat puli puthi bat ka sarkar kadang treshitom banwan ra ik jing kala ban penbha ki rukom trekam nang ba ka jilla sachisien kan sakiu byang ha ka puli puthi.
Education is a very complicated and a sticky subject. And there are multiple factors that lead to the PGI ranking that takes place. And, for us to be able to, like, for example, a simple thing like, the number of schools, as I said, that we have, this becomes a challenge for us because in the same building, there are 4 schools, but technically there should be just 1 school, but they have got, their own UDICE number, and they are, registered with Government of India. And each one then is assessed in a different manner.
Halo ka jinga kan ad hakathan khapud halapangab u menteri rangba ka jenla ulaong ba udang yakren bar u menteri rangba ka Assam u Himanta Biswa Sarma bat kibor penyat district ka Karbi Anglong khnang ba onla banweng ya ka ni ka jing e lingba ka jinga kren. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
So we're just trying to work out, but we are in constant touch, and like before, Himanta ji and I share a very positive and a very good relationship. We have always tried to work out keeping the state's understanding and the people's interest in mind, trying to balance out things. I'm sure that even in Lapangap issue, we will work together to resolve this issue. And of course, we ask the local people also to bear with us as well, at the same time to cooperate so that we can find a solution to this. And we are doing our best.
Usimbut Menteri Rangba Kejela uba snel bhalang dekar laong ba katena transport kadon jing temu ban ai jing bit ya barok ki arshaka ki babiang ki kot kisla bakin kamai kenang ba kanyarap ya ki samla bakin la banyo kamai kaji bat ban im jakpo ula pensyai ba sarkar kamdon kanu ka jing temu ban yon ben yakin yongnya arshaka bat banjur ru ba haka company ba shimti ban pinyat kadai ban pinbiang ya barok ki jing don kam kin thup ru ya ka trading license kani ka jingkren ka jong u kala mi halor ka jingdon jong ki company ki ba pinya ya ki arshaka ki ba kamai kum ka rapido ha ka jela
Kajisha Transport Department is open for everyone. Ngalayok mulai kata handai don bat katu ka ni ki kinja company bawan imat don kam so katring license saban I permit. Imat don nakimpat don tring license ta. But I'm not very sure. Makila apa appointment yang apa peli? Tengah I'll give them appointment maybe next week. Nama hang teh ngimong teh ya gitu min I license. Ya gitu pun impro. No, we are here to help our beloved people. Kalau Aisyah don ikut Islam 4 biang dia kata kena biasa. Kalau dari sisa subuh mentan halor biang ikut Islam mai. No, I won't allow. I will instruct my officer immediately to issue immediately only. Kalau kum gajing tip bangayok wur man kin have produce imat ya ketin license. Nak tap will process for the license from the transport department.
Kaseng San Perthai United Democratic Party kala say da umuktiar bapau ke jila uba Vivan Stone G Karngap Benta ban ai reng ya ka election MP shiteng samoy na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. U President Kaseng uba med ba lingdo ulaong ba Kaseng kadiyeng halor ka nongrem banyada ya ka hok jong ki try muluk ka jingsen shar ka bakhut basuba bat karoy kapar. Ula penpau ya ka jing scam jing mut ba Kaseng ka don jing kermen menjob ha kani ka election da ka ba pensyong nongrem halor ka election badang shudapshen. Haba ajing kren uba VJ Kenta ula ai kuble yakin nongelam Kaseng halor ka jing shania jongki ha uban ailat ban yakun ha kani ka election ula ong ru ba lada usha jiet kum UMP un satre shitom ban yasa ha parliament ban pen ulong yakimat bakongsan ha kejela
Parti UDP ini by-election MP Lok Sabha.
Apa kot tinggal buat tibet bangga biasa. Dapat taki klaim aja. Mat gimana kes persia yang kisi yang semua ini orang kalau sisen dabang kalau kejauhan jauh pinum siam mana nenda nanti uberi bapa ada mana ada uberi
I personally feel that whatever time that we have taken for the last 2.5 months, the exercise was going on to ensure that the candidate we put up this time is not only the candidate of the UDP. It has to be the candidate of the people of this constituency. That is what we have decided, and we have come to the conclusion.
Menteri Rangba Kajela Ukonrat K Sangma ulabu ya umau nongrim banshna penhe ya kesurok nadkhia sutengah saipung pala batsem masi lingba kajing bay pisa jong ka World Bank hapo ka Meghalaya Integrated Transport Project ya kani ka project lapia haki arbenta ban pentre ya ka surok ka bajrong kumba sanpo pra kilometer lakmi lenti ba kani ka surok kan pensuk ya ka let kawan bat kan kintiu ru ya ka roy ka par hakathan East Jantia Hills.
But this project, a project which Honorable Local MLA has been desiring and wanting for a very, very long time, has happened today. And I'm very sure that this particular project is going to bring a lot of economic changes in this area. And there is hard work being done by every single person to achieve that vision, that goal, and the dream that we have set forward. And therefore, let us take this hope forward. The people in the country today, you'll be surprised to know, never expected Meghalaya to do many things that we are doing today.
Kajantia Students Movement kala penlong ya kajing yaki mentaksingi da kabara ya kilama yong ha kashnong kokong kebedan ha East Jantia Hills bandawa halor kajing penkela ya ka coal mining policy jong kejela kaseng kala persya halor kikindon SOP bala penmi da ka sarkar haus nem arajar aphuwe batang kipardo yong kibahe shispa hektar kila banyo ya ka mining license kaseng kalaong bakini kikindon kalong kum kajing knyat ben ya kitrai par doyong kibaret bat kintu ya ka sarkar ba kadai ban penret sya ka 100 hektar knang ba kinla man kamay jakpo da ka ba buot katkum kakindon an u General Secretary ka Jantia Students Movement uba Roy Trid Khar u laong ba kajing khang ti doyong nadu usnem arajar khatsau kalakta jur ya ka kamay kaji bat penlong ya ka kinong shongshnong ba ki hab banmi nalashnong banet wat bela wat sngi kaseng kala berngem ba kan penjur ya shushu ya ki jing yaki lada kasokar kamshim khia ban penkela ya kani ka policy daga ba banjur ba ka jingdawa jongki kalong ban yada ya ki try par doyong ki baret bat ban plelat ya ki try shnong ban yo bela yo sngi
nadu arja katso ire mat igni jinge wa khang yo moyong daga katkum ke SOP wa da penmi ke sarkar ke notification wa penmi ge yo snam araja apawi santarik march wa hagni ke SOP wa da ong wa MK minimum chi 4 hektar Dalang ikam kasing ikam gi nong kayi higajo ko da wa msnagi u priang ye gani wa im kot bori u em thawi kat ji 4 hektar ne banta u yo ya ki license te ikwa i wa sarkar wa u di notify no ga gani ga notification wa pemi gi arza phawi te yo u dawa i kam kasing wa i MK mi wa 100 hektar khnang wa ki khen gi dai yo gi wo u ki yo apply gi license aku betok wa ukra iya mo yang katkum gajuk wakat ni.
Mentangnya pai syaki kubur na keleng katan chatai laming i. Menteri Rangba ke Manipur Uyum Nam Kem Chan Singh ula lejingo ia ke Jaka ri tengen basipor hasnong makan hakaba ula ya kren bat ki lanot ki balahap ban pet na laying lasem na ka daw ke jingiki badang shen ha Manipur ha kani ke jinglet ke jong u Uyum Nam ula kami halor ke jinglong jingman ha kani ke Jaka bat pentikna ya ki lanot ba ka sarkar kan traisitom ban penbet ya ki jinglong jingman kam kloy kat bala knang ba kinyo ban let pai biang shalayeng lasem da ke jingsngan ha kani ke jinglet jingo la senran ye u Uyum Nam da u simbot menteri rangba bat ki MLA
Certain heavy meals were put among the
Mentangnya pai syaki kubor na keleng kari Ka Presiden Kari, ka Draupadi Murmu, kala kentu ya ki bor pulit bakin tray hok yela kakam, na ka benta ban ajing syakri syaki padba bakin buram. Kamtam ya ki kenteken na, bat na ka benta ki bama jing ha kay imlang salang. Haba ajing kren ha ka program President's Police kala ha gangtok. Kala banjur ru halor ka jingdon kam banlong, ki bala penkre banyakun persya ya ki kambean, bat ki kam tok kam syukor link ba ke internet.
I am told that the Sikkim police was established in 1897 to secure the India route. Since then, the force has been working to ensure peace, security and justice in Sikkim. In addition to maintaining law and order, the force has also played an active role in providing relief to people during natural disasters and difficult situations.
Menteri Rangba ka Karnataka, Usidara Maya, ula IT ya kashiti no kam sha usketri ha lok bhavan, bad ula pentikna halor kani karai jang hakmat kilat pathai kubor. Ula ong ba ka sarkar jilla kan yai biteng ban yo ya ka jingbon pat da ka jingdon ki shispa laipo hendriungot ki MLA bat kintu ya ulat ka jilla ba unkhat ya Menteri Rangba ka bathamai ban shimti ya ka kam. Mentangnya pai pat sarki kubor ya lekai. Menteri Ketenat Youth Affairs and Sports, Dr. Mansuk Mandaviya, sawan jengo ia kanong ba Shillong, laisngi lenter kaban sedang nadu ka arpu kendai tarik hadu ka laipuway tarik ujemang. Shushu sa shimbenta ha ka program Cintan Shiver bat sa penyat ya ka jingyalang na ka benta ka National Games arajal apun Rio ka balai kundai bat sawan pliru ya ka multi-purpose indoor sports complex ha Shillong. Ha ka juk kapor sa kami benia ru halor ka jing pentrei ya ki skim hari boy ka bala baiting ka da ka sokar pedeng hapo ka purvotar sampak situ. Unong yele kai ba paunam ka MMA na Meghalaya ujaf sotun. Ulayo ya kejingiro hadin ba ula penrem ya upratham dogra tang hapo ka 6 minit ha kejing yelek kai ka bala penlong Haraipur Chhattisgarh. Kani ka dei ru kasien ka ba hinyo ba ujef ulayo ya kejing job ka ha kejing yelek kai MMA halor kani kejing job ba jingwan ra buram ka jong u ya ka jila ka seng hinyo trap National Youth Front kala penkup buram ya u ha nongpo.
Sama village national fi prepare lupa na fi mi na yang banyak kali ru kali youth haban prepare ngi ko mu fighter ngi haban prepare lupa kin la daudi striker ngi haban striking la daudi u wrestler ngi haban practice wrestling kamayo uni apa kami urit ro last moment ngasarit de ko ma fi I hapo ka video ba hapo ka minute hapo ka minute ni sanga de knock out u hapo ka minute hi te nga kami olar bele bu play pad no te ngayo ban re katu sikat bangale nga kadika re nek chok kabang isit nak in yaw ne win 5m ni close ni rin pa aring mesim so is kare nek chak ngayo yuta tengah senyo ya kata barula kum mga batang sosarong ila jong ba u bre u bala profesional ha India jungi nga prem u ba ha juga po da nga prem u bre u bala pau bala bad champion ya ka 10-0 ka win streak ni ngayo prem u
ha ga jingile kai badminton Singapore Open ka PV Sindhu bat Ulaksha Zen Kibala mikmat ya ke India kila ilekai bha ha ka jingi kun para marway kumju ha ka jingi ilekai mar arngut u Chirag Chetty ha ringkat u Satwik Sairaj Ranki Reddy kumju u Dhruv Kapila bat ka Tanisha Krasto kila poi sha ka quarter final ha ka jingi kun ka Sindhu kala penrem ya ka Riko Gunji na Japan ha baro artili ki jingi kun kat ba u Lakshya ulayo banjam syakawat kaba syakmat hadin ba unong elekai ba yakun persya yu ulamen saw. Timintapat ngenyepet ya kejinglong jingman kesun beneng hakeleng ki benta jong kajela. Hatura kajing kreat kalong alporlai degree Celsius ba kajing shet kalong laipo degree Celsius kajing sngam ka hau kalong hendriu punyo na kashispa kajing hap slap kalong iwe point kandai milimeter habapai pa chakanong ba shilong kajing kreat kalong khanyo degree Celsius ba kajing shet kalong arpasau degree Celsius kajing sngam ka hau kalong nyopo na kashispa kajing hap slap kalong 0.1 milimeter kat bah jawai pat kajing kreat kalong khanyo degree Celsius bat kajing shet kalong arpo saw degree Celsius kajing sngam ka hau kalong hendriu punyo na kashispa kajing hap slap kalong 1.9 milimeter kasun beneng kandum lo bat kala bandon kajing hap slap ha kibabun ki jaka hatura shalong bajawai Shuaban poi syabakut jong katuk kubor ngin nyepet biang sa sisien ya kimat bakongsan. Minjur kakinhun ki menteri kejela ya shibun kimat bayadai bak kejing penut konsep bak kena transport bak kejing pentelah ya kikenduan banyada ya kiklau. An ai jingbet kasoka Meghalaya ya ki asyaka ki babiang kot isla bat ki bakwa ban kamai. Saya kaseng UDP da umuktiar bapau ke jela uba Vivan Stone G kan ngap kinta ban aireng ha ke election MP shiteng samoy National Parliamentary Constituency. Bat kintu ka Presiden Keri ka Draupadi Murmu ya ki bor pulit ban trek pohok yala ke kam ban ai jing syakri na ke benta ki pajba. Di paralok katung ila poi sya kabekut jong katuk kubor jengi mentaga janmit haduk bangin daya syambiang bat pi la syai kesengi kublaya pi baro.